Go to a browser. I'm going to my favorite browser, Chrome. Go to your Chrome search bar and type activesmm.com and enter our website. The website link will be provided in the description box for your convenience. I have seen how to open an account in the previous video, so now I will not show it. The account opening video will be given in the description box, so you can log in from here. If you want, you can log in through Google. Now you click on YouTube icon above. Now you select YouTube Watchtime. Be sure to read the description before placing any order. Go to your YouTube. Go to your channel after coming to YouTube. Copy the link of your channel from the search bar. Then come to our website. Paste your copy link in link box. And tap New Order button. After placing the order, you must contact us. For how to contact, click on the message option on the right side. After clicking, WhatsApp is written here.